Hello and welcome. My name is Bernd Engist. I am the Chief Evangelist here at Avantra, and I'll be talking you through the news around our latest release, Avantra 26. Introducing Avantra AIR, bringing intelligence, not just automation, to SAP operations. AIR does three things. First, when something breaks, you need to know why and fast. AI root cause analysis uses generative AI to interpret Avantra checks, explain the issue in plain language, and surface the most likely root cause in seconds. Second, once you know what's wrong, you need to know what to do next. Next best actions guide your remediation steps confidently so you know exactly what to do to get running again. And third, when you start your day, you need to focus on what really matters. The intelligent home screen provided by AIR constantly assesses changes in your landscape and surfaces your top operational priorities. When it comes to AI in the enterprise, trust is everything. Avantra AIR protects customer data by design, not by policy. No customer data is used for training models. No data is persisted beyond processing. End-to-end encryption is standard, and Avantra is fully ISO 27001 certified with regular penetration testing. Your data stays yours. The early results speak for themselves. 60% reduction in mean time to identify. 10 to 20 engineering hours per system per month recovered. That capacity your team can redirect from firefighting to driving business value. And this works across your entire team, not just your most senior engineers. AIR is your AI co-pilot for SAP operations. It's live now with alert prioritization and natural language builder landing in summer and autumn 2026. And here's a preview of the intelligent home screen coming in beta this summer. Since it's not generally available yet, we won't be showing a live demo for this one, but let me walk you through what you're seeing on screen. Critical events in your landscape are constantly analyzed and prioritized so you know exactly where to focus. One click takes you to the heart of the issue, backed up by AIR's root cause context. Resolve, dismiss, move on to the next priority. And now let me show Avantra AIR in action. We are seeing here a dashboard of an S/4HANA private cloud system deployed agentless as it would be deployed in RISE. And we see that the number ranges check is critical. Now let us look this check up and look at the details. And we see here the result. And specific number range object is exhausted. It's used by 100%. This can cause a lot of trouble in the SAP system. So business processes really fail if something like this happens. Now, a junior technical consultant might be overwhelmed or would not exactly understand what to do. Now here, an AIR report has been previously created, so normally it would take 20 seconds to generate one, but let us look at this AIR report result here. First, we see what this check means. Then we understand why is it critical. And last but not least, potential next steps for investigation or resolution. And this is really what caught my eye, which I really like. You actually get the transaction number, where to go, and how to work with this transaction to fix a problem. Yeah? It will as well tell you what other resolutions options there are. Now let us look at another check and let us use Avantra AIR to give us a detailed explanation. What about this background RFC error? So what you actually see here is a table of different inbound, outbound RFC records, which show an error here. Now let us generate an AIR report. And now this time we actually live generate an AIR report. So it takes a few seconds until this is completed, usually not more than 10, 20 seconds. Now we see it's finished. So let us click on View AIR report. And again, the same structure, what this check means, likely cause of the critical status, and again, potential next steps for resolution. Again, the transaction number, where to go. AIR provides more than just input to an LLM. It provides the context of the whole SAP system, and our engineers have carefully engineered the prompting to make really relevant results possible. Now, why does this matter to you? Your senior SAP experts are stretched thin, and every alert still needs a human to interpret and decide. AIR gives your entire team the ability to operate at senior engineer level. Fewer escalations, faster resolution, senior people freed up for the work that moves the business forward. Put the numbers in perspective. 50 SAP systems, 10 hours recovered per system per month. That's 500 engineer hours every month redirected from firefighting to proactive work. The equation of 3 full-time hires without a single hire. And you can adopt it confidently. No customer data used for training. Nothing retained beyond processing. No trade-offs between intelligence and security. Avantra is purpose-built for SAP. Anywhere SAP runs. Avantra, now you're really running.